Editing short-form content can be a grind, especially when you're juggling captions, pacing, and visuals all at once. The truth is, a solid short doesn't just come from good ideas, it comes from how well and how fast you bring that idea to life. I'm Daniel, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a tool that makes the whole process easier, faster, and way more effective. It's called Submagic, and it's become one of my favorite ways to create polished, engaging shorts with minimal effort. From accurate captions and flexible styling to a pretty diverse content library, Submagic lets you build out high-performing videos in a few clicks. And it's not just about speed. This tool actually understands how to make content pop. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump in. What is Submagic? Okay, folks, so Submagic is an AI-powered video editor designed specifically for short-form creators. If you are making content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this tool was built with you in mind. What makes Submagic different is how it combines editing and psychology. It doesn't just help you cut a clip, it helps you build something designed to hook viewers, hold attention, and feel on brand, whether you're going for educational, funny, or dramatic. It starts with automatic transcription, you upload a video clip, choose the language, and Submagic generates the captions for you. Fast. The accuracy is genuinely solid, especially for an automated tool, and the text flow feels natural, like someone actually sat and timed it manually. And once the captions are ready, that's when things really get interesting. How Submagic works. Let me show you how it works. Once you've uploaded your clip, Submagic kicks in with the transcription. You can pick your language manually, or let the platform detect it for you. It handles most common languages really well, and even if you mix in a few phrases from something else, it usually holds up. The caption editor is where the magic happens. You're not just stuck with plain subtitles. Submagic gives you full control over how your captions look and feel. There's a wide library of caption styles, inspired by popular creators. You can also fully customize these presets, adjusting position, size, or color, so your captions match your tone and brand identity. If you find a combo that works, you can save it for future use and keep everything consistent across your videos. Now let's talk about B-rolls, guys. One of the most powerful parts of Submagic is how easy it is to add visual variety. If you've ever edited a talking head video, you know how quickly it can start to feel flat, especially if there's nothing changing on screen. With Submagic, you can open the B-roll tab and immediately access a built-in stock library, all without leaving the editor. It's super simple to browse through, and the clips are organized in a way that makes sense for different types of content, whether you're doing a product review, a tutorial, or storytelling. And folks, you can either drag in the clips yourself or let the AI suggest relevant footage based on what you're saying in the video. This kind of visual movement really helps keep viewers engaged, and the fact that it's all available inside the platform makes the whole process so much faster. You also get the option to add any kind of transition that fits the pacing and tone of your video. These might seem like small touches, but they make a noticeable difference. Transitions help break up static shots and guide the viewer's eye, guys. And that makes your edit feel more intentional and polished. And the great part? You don't have to think too hard about any of it. Most things happen in just a couple of clicks. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. One thing I really appreciate is how easy it is to fine-tune captions after the initial transcript is generated. If there's a word that got picked up wrong or a timing issue, you can just click into the text and fix it. The editing timeline is laid out in a way that makes it super simple to scroll through and tweak whatever you need. You can even break up lines manually for better pacing or readability, really useful if you're delivering fast dialogue or punchy jokes. Another feature I want to tell you about, guys, is keyword highlighting. The AI can automatically emphasize important parts of the sentence, changing size or color slightly, just to make the rhythm of your speech more dynamic. And you can do this manually too, for more control. If you want to add audio, that's an option as well. Submagic comes with a built-in library of sound effects and background music, so you don't have to waste time searching elsewhere or importing files manually. You can quickly scroll through different categories, preview tracks, and drop them right into your timeline. Whether you're trying to set a specific mood or just want to add a little extra energy to your video, having everything in one place really streamlines the process. Okay guys, once everything's looking good, you can export your video in full quality, ready to upload to any platform. The export process is fast and the output holds up well visually and audibly. Why use Submagic? Folks, if you're serious about short-form content, tools like Submagic can make a huge difference. It's not just about saving time, it's about improving quality without overcomplicating your workflow. You're getting accurate captions, stylistic flexibility, and smart automation all in one place. Instead of juggling 5 different apps or hiring someone to edit every video, Submagic gives you pro-level results in minutes. Whether you're a beginner or already posting consistently, it's the kind of tool that helps you move faster, stay consistent, and create content that actually holds attention. Final thoughts. Submagic isn't just an editing tool, it's a content workflow solution for creators who want to move fast without sacrificing quality. The automatic captions are accurate, the styling tools are flexible, and the built-in media library gives you tons to work with without ever needing to open another tab. If you're someone who wants your shorts to look like they came from a high-end editing studio, but you also want to get them done in under 10 minutes, this is the tool for you. You'll find the link to try it out in the description below. Big thanks to Submagic for letting me test the platform. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.